So this is Rocky Branch at Rocky Knob Park. I may fast forward most of the climb so that you don't have to listen to me gasp for breath. We've had a week full of rain. Everything's a bit wet today. I'm gonna go down this log real quick. I can't get enough speed to get any air off that big bump. I just saw that mud puddle and decided I'd try the rocks. I'm kind of surprised I made that, to be honest with you. Man, I feel that back tire sliding in some of these turns. About to smack a tree and slide off the hill. This stuff is slick. Oh, wrong gear. Can't take this thing at normal speed because of how slick it is today. I am slipping and sliding every little off-camber turn. Feel like you're gonna just wash out.
I appreciate you checking out this video. If you haven't seen parts 1 and 2, I'll post the links at the top of the screen. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you can get all new content when it comes out. Now, go get your bike and go find your flow.